Hey everyone, in this quick guide, I will show you how to turn off User Account Control or UAC in Windows 11. This is the feature that gives you those pop-up prompts every time you try to install or change something. If you find it annoying, here is how to disable it safely. First, press the Windows key on your keyboard and type UAC. You will see an option that says Change User Account Control Settings. Click on that. A new window will pop up with a slider. This slider controls how often you are notified about system changes. The higher it is, the more often you will get prompts. To completely turn off UAC, drag the slider all the way down to Never Notify. Once you have done that, click OK. You might get one final confirmation pop-up. Just hit Yes to approve the change. That's it. UAC is now turned off. Keep in mind this reduces your system security a bit, so only turn it off if you're sure about what you're doing, especially if you're installing trusted software or working offline. If you ever want to turn it back on, just follow the same steps and raise the slider again. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more Windows tutorials. See you in the next video.